Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add bank account on Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you want to do here is you want to go to Binance.com and log into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, the next thing you want to do is you need to look for your profile icon. So your profile icon is usually located at the top right of your screen. So just click on it and you will be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is you need to go to accounts. So in this case, you need to go to the left side of your screen. So you have dashboard, security identification, as well as payment. So go ahead and click on payment. Now from here, what you need to do is you just need to add a payment method. So go ahead and click on add a payment method. And from here, you should see all of the banks that is readily available on Binance. So I do have to inform you that the banks available on your account depends on where you are currently at or where you set up your account. Now, in this case, if you want to see more banks, just click on the more option here and you'll be able to see all of the payment methods. Now just choose the payment method that you want to use and just click on it. And from here, you'll be redirected to a page where you need to enter the following details, which include the bank account number, the bank branch, the phone number, and from there, we just need to click on confirm to connect your account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.